Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable dark mode in Google Chrome for consistent UI previews, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable dark mode in Google Chrome, begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. Next, look for the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on these dots to open the drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to find the Appearance section. Click on Appearance to expand the options available. In the Appearance section, you will see a section labeled Theme. If it is set to dark, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Select Light from the drop-down options. After selecting Light, the UI will refresh to reflect the changes immediately. To ensure the changes take effect across all aspects, close and restart Google Chrome if necessary. For additional confirmation, revisit the Settings menu to verify that Light is still selected under the theme. Now you should see a consistent user interface that aligns with your preferences. If you are using a Windows or macOS system, you should also check your device's theme settings. On Windows, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. Choose Colors from the sidebar on the left. Under the Choose Your Color drop-down, select Light. On macOS, navigate to System Preferences. Then, click on General. This helps ensure that the overall UI remains consistent across all applications. After making these changes, reopen Google Chrome again to see the updated UI. Your browser should now reflect a light theme, providing a consistent experience throughout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.